Hi, welcome to Programming Python with me, Eric Zeltman. There are a lot of different choices for programming languages, so why Python? Well, it's one of the most popular and one of the most growing languages out there in the world. In this course, we'll introduce the Python language, we'll go through basic and intermediate programming, object-oriented programming, debugging tools, and much more that you can find in the Python language. One of the cornerstones of this course is not only to learn the programming language, but also to use this to make dreams, ideas, and creativity run wild. We really want to look for ways to get the students to discover, to find ways to work together, and to find a place that they can create the programs and the ideas of their dreams. So if you think your kiddo is ready for a bit of a challenge and ready to let that creativity run wild, come join me, Eric Zeltman, in Programming Python.